Hi everyone, welcome to Crack the Vault collaboration hosted by Poetspice here on YouTube. There are quite a number of us in this collaboration, so after you watch my video, please be sure to go check everyone else out linked down below, and if the link doesn't work, just copy and paste it into your search bar and that should take you to their channel. So I decided the other day I actually sold a piece of jewelry on Etsy. Yay, finally. Um, and I realized I didn't have any Dahlia. My business name is Dahlia Designs. I didn't have any Dahlia thank you cards. Luckily, the person bought a purple piece and I had these purple little thank you cards, so I used one of those. But I wanted something Dahlia, and my color on my cards and stuff is a pink. Well, this is a retired Stampin' Up! Color Magenta Madness, but it is the color pink that my little logo thing is. So I used that, and I used Granny Apple Green, and I used this. I found these by accident. It's a Magenta Madness water-based marker, just to go around the edges of things like that. I didn't end up using that one. It's been more than 6 months since I used this. It was from 2022, and I don't remember if it carried over or not. I don't know, but it's been a while since I used it, and I hadn't used all of it. I had previously used um, the Dahlia, and I used some sentiments and the leaves. Um, but I hadn't used this other little flower, which I did. Here's the Dahlia. So anyway, I did not use the dies this time. Now Stampin' Up! I don't know if they still sell these. I think so, but these are basic white note cards and envelopes, and they're what I like to use for these little things that go in packages for note cards. And this I had never used. It's from Inka Dinka Doo, and it's called Just Saying Clear Stamps. I don't know where I got it, but the copyright date on here is 2010. So I probably got this in like 2017, and maybe I'm thinking kind of like maybe Joann's or AC Moore at the time. I don't remember exactly. So I used this on two of the cards, the thank you on two of them, and the thanks for making my day on two of them. And I did use this little splatter on a couple cards. And then these, I don't remember using these for quite a while. These are layering circles. I've had these since pre-2018, probably like 2016 or 17. Probably 17. I don't think I was paper crafting in 2016. And they retired in 2021 or 22. They're scallop circles and plain circles, and this is when Stampin' Up! Was still working with Sizzix when they had a Big Shot machine. See, it says even Big Shot, and I still use them. They're perfect. They're plain circles and scalloped circles, and I love them. I forget I have them sometimes, and they worked perfectly to cut out circles around the sentiments to go in here. So, and then also, lastly, I just happened to find these. They're retired, and that color is Magenta Madness, and I had some pink over here, and you'll see them on the cards. I used the little round ones, and I was shocked that I still had a ribbon in Magenta Madness in color ribbon. Wish I had more, but I don't. So anyway, that's what I used, and now let me show you my little cards. I made four with the dahlias on, so here's the first one. And these are using the circle dies and the three little things. And okay, so what I did is, before I folded the note cards, I had a piece of paper and I stuck, oops, I see I got something on that, probably sliding it out. Oh well. Well, now I can't do it. There, I slid it in like this to the fold mark, and then I stamped on paper on a, I had this under it too, because when I was stamping, the words and those other round things, those were not rubber stamped, so I always use a mat for that. So that's how I did it to get it only on the front. And then you can see I was stamping off over here on this side. So yeah, that's one. And here's another one. Thanks for making my day. And here's another one. I got the edge a little white on those two, and I think the last one. And then I did these, but I got, it was hard to get the dots on after I did the flowers without getting it on the flowers, and I'm not sure I'm crazy about that. This one I put a few less dahlias on and a little more stamped off splatter. And these I had to fussy cut because there was no dye that fit them exactly that looked right. And then I just did a scallop circle a little bigger than that in, that's Granny Apple Green. This is stamped in Magenta Madness and Granny Apple Green. And I really like how they came out. And then for the envelopes, for the Dahlia ones, this is what I did. I just did all four corners on, I made four of those. And then I did make one other card, which I don't really like. But I tried stamping right on and it would have been good, except then I took those little flowers, because this has little flowers in here. I took those little flowers in the same set and stamped around, but I got some smudgies and stuff, and I'm not real happy with that. And then the envelope, I did that. So it's okay. I can still use it, but it's not Dahlia, so I don't know that I'll use it in my business. But these are for my jewelry business to send thank yous. So people need to buy stuff from me now because I have cute little thank you cards to send. Anyway, that's it for my Crack the Vault using a couple different stamp sets and dies and actually ink that I haven't used in a while. It was put away where I have some retired inks. This one is current. I might have used that in the last 6 months, but I don't remember doing it. It's not a color I grabbed for Granny Apple Green, but actually I really like it because it's a little brighter green. I really like it with the Magenta Madness, so let me know what you think. And that's my project. Please, like I said, be sure to go check everyone else out and see what wonderful things they've come up with using things from their stash that they've never used or that are 6 months old or older. Or, yeah, 6 months old or older and or never used or both. Because I have some 6 months older like that one stamp set that I've never used. So, yeah. Anyway, have a great day, everyone, and I'll talk to you again soon. Hugs, love, and peace.